And I'm curious about intellectual property because I know that that's a big concern for creators. So how do you balance that, and how do you feel like you retain that IP when you're creating something?
And I totally appreciate and respect those concerns, and they're real and important. At Orbital, we're hosting all of our AI operations on our local infrastructure. So when I am putting my materials into these locally hosted models, they're not being sent up to some mystery server in the cloud. They're not being used to train other models. They're being kept locally in-house. And that sort of has given me the assurance that I need to be able to, jump in with both feet. We're using ComfyUI at Orbital, which is a really cool custom AI workflow builder. And what it does is allows us to set parameters that will influence what these locally hosted models will draw from and how they generate content.